Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to video lecture episode 19. Today we're going to continue our discussion. We're going to talk firstly about the digestion in the small intestine. So let's start there. Well, the small intestine sometimes is represented by just two letters, SI. Now, what is the small intestine? Well, it's the major organ of digestion and absorption. Now let's talk about the duodenum, which is the first section. It has digestive juices and it does major chemical digestion there. So let's talk a little bit about now digestive juices. Let's talk about the pancreas. Well, the pancreas uses bicarbonate, a basic. It has trypsin and chymotrypsin, which is a proteases, lipase, which are for fats, amylase for carbs, nuclease for DNA and RNA. Now let's talk a little bit about the bile in connection with digestive juices. Bile is made in the liver, stored in the gallbladder. Now what does it do? It emulsifies fats. That means it makes smaller droplets of it. Now if you look at slide 50, we have an image, a graphic representing the various forms of digestion. We have carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, nucleic acid digestion, and fat digestion. In other words, this is just talking about the different macromolecules and how they're digested. All right, let's move to slide 51. All right, let's talk about some hormones that coordinate digestion. Well, the first hormone that we have there is gastrin. It's produced by stomach and increases the production of gastric juices. Then we have introgastrin, which is produced by the small intestines, the duodenum, and it lowers peristalsis to allow time for fat digestion. And then we have secretin and CCK, which is cholecystokinin. Let me make sure I'm pronouncing that. Cholecystokinin. It's secreted by the small intestines, the duodenum. It increases the flow of digestive juices from the pancreas and gallbladder. So those are three to four hormones there that we talked about that coordinate digestion. I just want to make sure you review those and go over those. Well, let's go ahead and conclude our discussion with just the last few slides, slide 52 and 53. In slide 52, we talk about villi and microvilli, which of course increase surface area and are included inside your intestines, which help for the absorption of nutrients in our body. All right. Now, let me just cover slide 53. Just mentioned some things in there. From the villi, that goes to the capillaries. The capillaries then take that to hepatic portal vein. From the vein, it goes to the liver and then to the heart. And of course, the heart, we know, cycles blood around the body. Now, let's talk a little bit about the liver, what it does. Well, the liver distributes nutrients, detox, glucose storage, that being glycogen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope this lecture has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments below. Send me an email message. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.